we just made it to Mexico with the family. Our room is actually nice. This is our first time at this resort. It's all right. It's definitely an older resort, but the rooms are really nice. And we got this little, I love our little private balcony here. The trees. My sister is in that top one. It's nice. The pool's over there. Beach is somewhere over there. And then we have Z. ¿Qué están haciendo? ¿Estás cambiando TV? Okay. Yeah. And the bathroom's over there. My husband's in there right now. Yeah, it's a pretty nice room. We got double beds, 2 chairs, and a little small, table, and this couch, which also is another bed. And I love this little nook. It's like a little vanity nook. That's nice. Turn on the light here. Cool. Okay. Yeah, really nice. We're gonna go, we haven't ate, we just arrived, so we've been traveling all morning, so we're gonna find breakfast and get drinks. Day 3 out here. I haven't videotaped much because we've been our hands are full. But it's a beautiful day out here in Mexico.
Yep. All done? Okay.
Here are the boys.
Okay, we gotta wait. Wait, we gotta wait, Baba. Not yet.
Yeah, Zayden wants the beach again.
Wait, Baba.
Dime qué es lo que pasa, vente pa' mi casa, yo te espero sin nada. Dime qué es lo que pasa, yo quiero desacatarme contigo, papi, perder el control contigo, papi. Dime, yo te digo, papi, ay papi, desacatarme contigo, papi, perder el control contigo, papi. Dime, yo te digo, papi, ay papi, dime qué es lo que pasa. Dime qué es lo que pasa, vente pa' mi casa, yo te espero sin nada. Dime qué es lo que pasa, yo quiero desacatarme contigo, papi, perder el control contigo, papi. Dime, yo te digo, papi, ay papi, desacatarme contigo, papi, perder el control contigo, papi. Dime, yo te digo, papi, ay papi, dime qué es lo que pasa.
We're heading to the beach. This is our first day here.
Going to la playa. Vamos para la playa ahorita.
There's a lazy river here. You can take a floaty and then just float around the lazy river. It comes all the way around. It's really relaxing. So what's cool about this resort is there's a little temple, an old Mayan temple here. and we can swim up there and climb. This is our spot. This water today, it looks so clear,
Así se
guys.
camina en la playa.
¡Uy! ¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¡Ay!
Vamos pa la playa.
Pa' curar el alma. It's so nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Mexico together!
Single ladies! Where y'all at?
It ain't us. This is beautiful. Wow, we have a perfect day today. Tomorrow is supposed to be rainy, so we're trying to make the best of it today. And then my sister wants me to get a butt shot for her. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this water.
Dime qué es lo que pasa, vente pa' mi casa, yo te espero sin nada. Dime qué es lo que pasa, yo quiero desacatarme contigo, papi, perder el control contigo, papi. Dime, yo te digo, papi, ay papi, desacatarme contigo, papi, perder el control contigo, papi. Dime, yo te digo, papi, ay papi, dime qué es lo que pasa.
It's a cloudy day, but so far it has not rained since this morning. So I think we might look out, or we might get a little more rain. Say hi, Mateo. Hi.
The waiters are like, well, yeah, dude, I've been like at the back.
Oh, wait, this is...
Looks like it's gonna be rainy all day today. Luckily, it's not too bad. It's like a sprinkling right now. So we are under a cyclone warning here, but there's Hurricane Arlene, I think right now, heading towards Florida. So yeah, today's our last day here. My mom left yesterday. We're just gonna, the beach is closed today too, because of the storms. So we're going to maybe chill, swim in the pools one last time before we head out, or before the day's over. But yeah, sad. I'm sad. Come on. Finn.